One of the key areas of data privacy and security is to reduce the amount of information your Salesforce org is processing. It's not only a best practice from a data security perspective, but it's also a privacy law requirement under GDPR and other similar laws. Essentially, your organization would have a data minimization and retention policy, and it would need or manually apply that policy. Cloud compliance allows your organization to automate data retention. What that means is once the information inside Salesforce in any standard custom or managed package object meets certain criteria, you can select to either anonymize it or delete it or do a combination of both. Cloud compliance automates this so that you can run these retention policy automations every day, week, or month, and it offers an incredibly pinpointed accuracy with a SOC-aware clause. So you can put multiple different kind of complex criteria to identify records that need to be anonymized or deleted. In addition, deletion also saves you storage space if you're running out of that, and it also improves the performance of your org and gets rid of, like reports that may not run because they have upwards of 2,000 records or other large data volume scenarios. Cloud compliance data retention is API enabled, so it can be easily called from other applications. Let's take a look at how easy it is to set it up and how it works. So I'm going to navigate to our implement center, and you can see I have a bunch of different capabilities here. One of them is data retention. Here I have data retention open in one of the views, and we are looking at a data retention policy. Essentially what you can see is on this policy, I can select any object. It is all coming from metadata. I can specify a where clause, some fields for status and error, and then I can just go to my next step and pick a retention mapping. In cloud compliance, you can create de-identification mapping so that you can anonymize with an extreme degree of granularity down to a field level. In this particular case for contact, I have two. I'm going to pick a mapping, specify how often do I want it to run, time, notification, email, and basically update that. And that's really it. When cloud compliance runs this night, it will look at all the records that meet the criteria and would anonymize it. This is one of the features that significantly improves the security posture by reducing the amount of information in your production environment. What it also means is if you have full and partial copy sandboxes, as the data gets replicated there, that footprint is smaller. Under privacy laws such as GDPR and others, there are specific requirements to minimize the amount of information that is captured and specify what duration does an organization keep it for, and then ensure that it is securely disposed of. Cloud compliance enables all of this very, very easily. Typical implementation for data retention and minimization is anywhere between 1 to 5 weeks, depending on the kind of retention and minimization that we are running. Contact us for more information. Thank you so much.